Hello students, I am Meena Madam. Today I have to continue the chapter Federalism. Today we have to study about language policy, center-state relation, decentralization and local self-government system in India. But before that, I would like to clear your doubts. The very first one is regarding state list. As I explained that state list contains the subjects of local importance of states. And regarding this list, state government has right to make laws. But with that, central government has also authority to make laws regarding the state list when situation in a state is not normal. It means there is a lack of law and order and economic crisis in a state. Second thing is that so far only one student, she is Afifa, has shown written work. Good girl. Very good, Afifa. Continue it. And what about the rest of the students? I am also waiting for your written work. Third thing is, whenever you write the differences between two terms, you are supposed to make two columns, one for each term. Now let us start the chapter. First we have to take language policy of India. No language is recognized as a national language of India so far. Hindi has been identified as the official language of India. In India, Hindi is the mother tongue of only 40% Indians. Besides in Hindi, 21 other languages are recognized as scheduled language in the constitution. It means these 21 languages can be used as the medium of exam in competitive exams held by Union Public Service Commission or State Public Service Commission. Besides it, states have their own official language. According Indian Constitution, the use of English as official language had to be stopped in 1965. But non-Hindi speaking states, especially Tamil Nadu, opposed it and threatened to create a violent situation in India. And to avoid the critical situation like Sri Lanka, it was decided by central government to continue the use of English along with Hindi as an official language. Now the second topic is center-state relation in India. In fact, after independence in India, there was a Congress government at both center-state level for a long time. That's why state government never used their power as autonomous federal unit. Here autonomous means independent. When ruling party were different at both level, the party ruled at center level tries to undermine and control the state government. Here, undermine means also controlling. After 1990, regional parties in many states were very strong, and the era of coalition government started. Here, coalition government means a government having a number of different political parties. And with this, the federal power sharing is become more effective. Now we have to start the third topic, that is decentralization. Under this topic, we have to study about the meaning of decentralization, why is essential the provision of decentralization, and 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 amendments made in constitution in 1992 to make local self government more effective. What is the meaning of decentralization? Very simple meaning of the definition is given that when power is taken from central state governments and given to local government, it is called decentralization. It means decentralization means sharing the power by central and state government with local self government. Now we have to see the basic ideas. Basic ideas means reasons behind decentralization. Some of them are, the very first one is there are many problems and issues at local level that can be best settled at the local level. Second thing is local people have better knowledge and experience to sort out local problems. Third thing is local people have better ideas on where to spend money and how to manage things more efficiently. Fourth is local government makes it possible for the people, local people, to participate in decision making process. And fifth is, that is the last, that local self government helps to inculcate. Inculcate means develop a habit of democratic participation, and it is the main principle of democracy, since democracy is the rule of people. So, in fact, local self government makes the real democracy in practice. But so far, by 1992, local self government in India was not working so properly. So, to make local self government more effective, in 1992, many changes were made regarding local self government in Indian Constitution. So now we have to see what are the changes which are made in our Constitution in 1992 to make local self government more effective. And these are: first one, now it is compulsory to hold regular election to local self bodies. Second is, seats and executive posts in local bodies are reserved for scheduled caste and backward classes. Third thing is, at least one-third seats are reserved for women in local bodies. Fourth is the State Election Commission is responsible to conduct election to local self-government. And last one is that it is compulsory for the state government to share its some power and revenue with local bodies. And rest in next class.